Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be taking these clear shower rings from Dollar Tree as well as these jumbo gems that I picked up from eFavormart, and I'm just going to hot glue them into the center of these shower rings. I wanted to point out here that if you'd like this to hold longer, do use some type of permanent bonding glue like Gorilla Glue or something like that in addition to the hot glue. Next, I'll be taking this set of metal floral reforms from Dollar Tree as well as a small plastic plate also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue the plate to one of the reforms. Next, I'm going to just go in with those rings we just made and hot glue them to the reform. Right here you see me adding a dollop of hot glue to each of the rings, and then I'm going to apply that last reform to the top of them. Now I'm just going to apply another layer of rings, and I'm going to try to center them so they're in between the rings that we applied previously. Next, I'm just going to add a Dollar Tree push light. Right here I have a plastic clear bowl from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it with some black paint. And so here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'm going to start with this wooden light up box that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut off the lanyard on top, and then I'm going to paint it with some black matte craft paint. I'm going to be using this iridescent pearl Tealight holder from Dollar Tree as well as this bling ribbon from Amazon. I'm also going to be using this silver bling ribbon from Amazon, and I'm just going to cut it into strips and apply it to the front of our tea light holder. I'm going to be using these mirror plates from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue one to the top of our wood box. Guys, be sure to check these out in the store to make sure that they light up, because one of mine didn't work properly, so yeah. But here's what they look like, guys. What do you guys think? You guys, that's all that I have for today. I'll be back on Sunday at 6 p.m. so be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help out with the algorithm, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.